Joy with Joy's Happy Hobbies. There's my doggy Jasmine. She decided to join today too. Anyway, this is WIP Wednesday, so I want to show you my WIP that I'm working on. She's from Day's Dream, and her name is Rose. And this good friend of mine, really good friend, she was talking about this painting, that she has it, and she wants to see it get done, but she just doesn't have the time. So, roundabout way of saying, hey, I'd love to help you, she sent the painting to me. And so I'm working on it now, and she told me I could bling it up however I want. So I'm going to show you what I've been doing with it. Before we get started, though, I want to remind you, if you're new, welcome, and hope you enjoy. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe. Subscribe button's down below, and the bell that's next to it, click on that, and that will notify you once you subscribe of any new videos that I come out with, so you won't miss any. And hit the like button, really important, hit the like button. So, without any further ado, let's get started. All right. Okay, we're back. And meet Rose. Meet Rose. This is the painting I'm doing from Day's Dream. It's a picture of it, so you can see it first before I show you the painting of what I'm doing. Rose, she looks like a warrior, doesn't she? It's kind of like a steampunk picture, clockworks, It's got all the clockworks around the side and all the metal. Some of the things I've done, I'll show you. I'm blinging out the metal, but if you want to get a close-up of her, I am not very good at stuff like this, so I'll never get the hang of doing the camera part. The only thing that I'm disappointed in is that this little box here doesn't show up very good in the painting. It's not that clear, but that's what it's supposed to look like there. Anyway, so here she is, and I'll get the painting up there, and we'll talk about it. Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm back. Here's Rose. I'll show you a little bit of what I'm doing. I went ahead and blinged out her name, Rose. It was just in red drills. I got these crystals from Christmas cards that I did last year, and I saved them. So what you can't see on the screen is some of them have different shades to them. Some have a little pink shade or a blue shade. And so when you move the painting around, you can't tell it on camera, but it changes shades, which is really cool. So here's what I have done. I'm halfway through, so there's the top right there. You can see her. Okay. And here's the bottom. What I've done is from Day's Dream, these drills came. I'm using these, which are called topaz glass. And I'm also using these, which are, they're a form of glass too. They're called mine gold. Yes, from Day's Dream. And I've put those, I thought that she needed to be metaled up. So the person I'm doing this for, she said I could have at it and do whatever I want. So what I've done is, in all the metal parts here, I noticed that this is her fake leg, like she lost a leg, so this is like a fake leg, and this is her own leg. So when I was doing the painting, until I really sat and looked at the picture, I didn't notice that, and now I do. So I wanted to point that out. So that's why this one's shinier than that one. And the dog, looks like the dog's been repaired a little bit too. So anyway, I got the the topaz and the mine gold mixed in through here to show the pretty, look at that, how it shines. I just think it needed more metal look since it's a type of steampunk or clockwork. Okay, and yeah, and on the sides here, I did the same thing. I blended in the topaz and the mine gold around the frame edge to make those sparkle a little. You see that? Down in here, I just put a combination of AB drills that I had in stash, and whichever matched up good with the color, that's where the ABs went. I did the same thing to the window here. I added ABs from my stash to make it sparkle. You really can't see it too good in here sparkling, but and then I had some purple glass from Debbie that I got for her dress, and I'm blending those in here to make her little skirt sparkle. So anyway, that's what I'm doing today, or that's what I'm working on for my WIP Wednesday. As you can see, the box that I showed you off the picture didn't quite, come in as clear as the picture is, but it's there. It'll be fine. And then one thing is, this picture has no 310s in it. All the background, all the background are 939s. Interesting, huh? No 310s in it at all, and that's usually a base color for anything. So I'm going to finish off with giving her some ABs and glass crystals or whatever in the ribbons in her hair. I'll show you the picture there. So I'm going to, add some to her hair, and then, add the metal drills to here, to the gun, and then I'm going to add a couple of crystal red things along the edges of the bullets there so that you can see the definition there. So all in all, it's going to be a beautiful painting, and when I get it all done, I'm going to send it back to her, and hopefully, she's watching this video. She knows who I'm talking about. This is for you, honey, and I'm just having a great time with it. I don't know what else to talk about on it. I just, yeah, it's kind of neat. I have fun doing this on all my paintings. I add bling wherever I can. I add ABs wherever I can, just to make them shine up a bit. So anyway, I guess that's it. That's another Wednesday with progress. I'm halfway done. As you can see where the cellophane is, that's where I've left off in my release paper. So I don't know, I forget things while I'm talking. I don't know if I welcome the new people here, and if you haven't a chance, if you've subscribed, go ahead, click the bell. I think I've already talked about that. Hit the like button, do all that stuff. I finally made it over 200 subscribers. It's been about 1.5 years since I've had my YouTube, so I could use a lot more, you guys, a lot more. I hope you like what you see. Never know what I'm going to come up with next on my videos. I've also, ordered a few other projects to do that aren't diamond painting, so I'll be working on those too. So I'm going to close it out now, and I'm going to say Happy Wednesday, and hope you're having good weather wherever you are. Okay, bye-bye. Till the next time.